So quick explanation of why the turbocharger ended up looking like that. Note, as far as kilometers go, irrelevant. It's more about preventative maintenance. I'm going to show you what to check. Usually lives around here, right? And when you accelerate, it makes boost because of the vanes. They angle a certain way. See how these move? So that basically, like, you know, when you're washing your push bike and you aim the hose at the pedal and it spins faster? Same concept, right? So that there is a boost pressure sensor filter. They are made of plastic. When they get oil in them, they can crack. When they crack, they do not read correctly. So the pressure inside the turbocharger system is actually higher than what the sensor's reading. But then it asks the stepper motor to open the vanes further and further and further until they eventually make contact, and then el fuck. So I've just popped that little circlip off that arm there so we can see that the vanes, see how they move forwards and backwards? Yeah, so these can physically extend so far they make contact with the actual compressor wheel, and then it just self-clearances from that point onwards. And it sounds like a police siren because all these rough edges make turbulence, and the turbulence makes it sound like a police siren. There we go. It's supposed to sound like... So the too long didn't read of it is that little $50 boost pressure sensor filter there will cause a bad enough reading on the actual map sensor that it will destroy a turbo. At least the good part is I have some new jewelry now. Look how pretty that is. It got fucking hot.